Unleashing Creativity, the World of D. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and incredibly useful topic that's close to the hearts of many who love creating, crafting, and solving problems on their own. Yes, you've guessed it. We're talking about do-it-yourself, or DIY. This phrase is not just a set of words. It's a whole movement that empowers individuals to take matters into their own hands. Whether you're an English language learner or a fluent speaker, understanding the depths of DIY will not only enhance your vocabulary but also inspire you to embark on your own DIY adventures. Let's get started. Do-it-yourself, often abbreviated as DIY, refers to the practice of creating, building, or repairing things on your own, without the direct aid of experts or professionals. The phrase encapsulates a vast range of activities, from home improvement projects, crafting, and artwork, to building electronic gadgets and programming software. The key aspect of DIY is the individual's desire to learn, create, and accomplish tasks independently, often using readily available resources or kits. The DIY movement has roots that go back to the arts and crafts movements of the 19th and early 20th centuries, emphasizing craftsmanship and the beauty of handmade objects. In the mid-20th century, DIY gained momentum with the rise of consumer culture, enabling individuals to personalize and repair their possessions. Today, the internet has further propelled the DIY culture, with countless tutorials, forums, and platforms dedicated to sharing DIY projects and ideas. The appeal of DIY lies in its empowerment, cost savings, personalization, and the sheer joy and satisfaction derived from creating something with one's own hands. Learning a language can also adopt a DIY approach. Just as in crafting or building, language learners can use resources such as online courses, language exchange communities, and educational apps to construct their learning journey. The DIY method in language learning emphasizes autonomy, personalized learning paths, and the use of digital tools to achieve fluency. It encourages learners to be proactive, seek out resources, and practice regularly in real-life situations. Starting your DIY journey can be both thrilling and daunting. Here are a few tips to get you going. Start small. Begin with projects that match your current skill level and gradually take on more complex tasks. Gather resources. Utilize online tutorials, books, and community forums to learn and get inspiration. Invest in basic tools. Having the right tools is essential for many DIY projects, whether it's for crafting, building, or repairing. Safety first. Always follow safety guidelines and use protective gear when necessary. Enjoy the process. Remember, DIY is as much about the journey as it is about the end result. Enjoy learning and the satisfaction of creating something by yourself. We hope this exploration into the world of do-it-yourself has inspired you to take on your own DIY projects or incorporate the DIY spirit into your language learning journey. Remember, DIY is more than just a hobby. It's a mindset that empowers you to take control, be creative, and continuously learn and grow. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what amazing things you'll create or achieve on your own. Happy DIYing!